The new AI video generator is here, and you can create stunning, cinematic shots. This AI filmmaking tool adds smooth, natural camera motion with zero skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this AI video generator to make your own cinematic scene. This AI tool is called Higgsfield AI, and it allows you to bring your images to life using a variety of pre-made AI video effects. You'll find different styles, camera movements, and animations that can instantly turn a still image into something dynamic and cinematic. First, sign up to the website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, click the Create tab to get started. Let's start with Image to Video section. The first step is selecting Motion Controls. Click on this section. You'll see a panel open with over 60 different video effects. Each one has a live preview, so you can scroll through them and see exactly how they look before choosing one. You can either choose an effect by its name, scroll and preview them visually, or use the search bar if you already know what you're looking for. One tip is to try to choose an effect that actually matches your image. Some effects are designed for characters looking directly at the camera, some for people in cars, holding guns, or making certain poses. Using the wrong effect may give you weird or bad results. There's also a mix button that allows you to combine two different effects. So you can go with just one or mix two effects together. But again, make sure both effects fit the scene you're working with. Once you've selected two, you can adjust the weight and basically tell the AI how much influence each effect should have. Step 2 is uploading your image. You can upload your own photo or generate one using the built-in image tool. First, write your prompt and make sure the Enhance option is turned on. This will help the AI generate a stronger result. Then click here to choose a visual style. This will give your image a specific look or artistic vibe. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to match the frame you're going for. In the Advanced section, you can change a few extra settings. I usually change the quality to get a better output. Once set, press the Generate button, and you'll have two images to choose from. The next step is adding your prompt. This is optional. You can leave it blank or write a short description of what you want. Based on my experience, using simple prompt can give you better results. If you write prompt, make sure the Enhance option is turned on. This way, AI will improve your prompt and gives you a better final result. In the Advanced section, you can choose the duration of your video. Currently, the options are 3 or 5 seconds. Leave the seed setting on auto, and when you're ready, just hit the Generate button. For each sample, if you click on Resource and Details here, it will automatically load the image, effects, and settings used, so you can reuse them or change them as you like. In this example, I didn't type any prompt myself. What you see here is a prompt that AI generated on its own to create the video. You can also download the final result from here. Changing the weight of the effect can give you totally different results. Even if you use the same image and effects, the result may change slightly each time you generate. For effects like this, where the AI needs to imagine something that isn't already in your image, just write a short description of what you want to see. A clear prompt helps the AI fill in the blanks and give you better and more creative animations. With this tool, you can easily create cinematic shots and even start building your own AI-generated movie. Upload them to YouTube, and you might even start making money online from them. If you're interested in creating longer AI videos or want to add lip sync to your characters, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share your results in the comment. Let me know which effects, or combinations of effects, gave you the most stunning result. In the pricing section, you'll see several monthly and annual plans to choose from, depending on what you need. With the free plan, you get 25 credits when you sign up. That's enough to generate around 50 images or 2 videos and test the tool and see what it can do. Try it out first, and if you feel it's worth it, you can upgrade to one of their monthly plans for more features and credits. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.